How to recover Google account password on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Safari allows users to browse the internet, view websites, and manage browsing data. Once you're here, go to accounts.google.com. Over here, type in your account credentials to log in. If you forgot your password, then tap on Forgot Password below. Google will then send a notification to your iPhone. Open the Gmail app, tap Yes on the prompt, then tap the number on your phone to verify it's you. Here, tap on Update Password. You can now create a new password for your account over here. After entering the new password, tap on Save Password below. Following these steps, you can easily recover Google account password on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.